primarily. One is create. Create happens through understanding customer needs and all. Second is value. Purpose of sales is not to communicate anything, it's to create value for customers. A lot of you said actually this thing, create value. But what is value? That's the next question. If it's creating value, which all of you said for customers, what is value? How would you define value? So, use your pencil and paper. How would you define value in one line or one word? What is value? We are saying it's creating value for customers, right? All of you said it. So what is value?
Exceeding the customer's need.
Sorry?
Exceeding the customer's need or expectation.
Okay. No, just right. We'll come to that. You've already written. Okay. Exceeding the customer needs and expectations. Okay. Yeah, anybody else who has written can say it. Yeah.
What I have written in that part is value in terms of the service, in terms of quality, in terms of profitability.
Right.
So we need to identify the need at that point in time, whether it is a service or whether it is a profitability.
Yeah. But what will be value? I know what you're saying. That's you're telling me, what value you will provide to the customer. What is meaning of word value, for example? What does that value means to you?
Fulfill the desire of the customer.
Fulfill the desire, okay?
Gives mental peace to the customer.
Mental peace to customer, okay?
To provide him a solution how he can increase his profit and profit of the company and how he is meeting his objectives. To be a partner to him, like
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Can be
Commercial.
long-term association.
Can be long-term association, yeah.
the commercial and non-commercial needs of the organization.
Okay.
Value is the
Satisfaction
benefit
of
and specific
the desire.
points.
Okay.
Satisfaction of the desire from a product.
You're getting there. All of you are really doing well. So yes, more.
Satisfying the customer with the
There's one thing I'm still looking for. One thing you've already said, which I'll tell you why. The other thing you're still missing.
Sharing our USPs.
Okay. Yeah. You know what value is? Value has two components.
and market presence.
Value has two components. Benefit, price. Value by definition is benefit minus price. So if you go and buy a pair of jeans, the first thing you look at is it worth at this price point? If you buy a cell phone, the first thing you look at is 6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, is it worth? So benefit minus price, that's how customers see it. All of us see it. So if value is benefit minus price, then there's something that we say in sales, which is ABC. We've been taught in sales, all of you were there in sales. ABC of sales. You know what ABC of sales is? Always be closing. That's the fundamental thing that we were taught in sales. Always be closing. But that is past. Nowadays it should be always be changing. Because now you can't really hard sell customers. There was a time when I started my career, it used to be always be closing. So we talked about value. This picture tells you something about value?
Yes.
What does it say?
Trustiness of residential.
Yeah? Yeah? What else?
What is his need?
Yes? What else? I'm still looking for one particular word or maybe a couple of words that's important.
Value of water for him.
Value for water for him, yes, that's there.
Basic necessity.
Yes?
What he would give to get water right now.
Sorry?
What he would be willing to give up to get water right now.
Yeah? You got it right, yeah? And?
The benefit of water.
Imagine this guy, as the picture suggests, he's in a desert, he's almost dying, and there's a bottle of water in front of him. The value of that bottle of water is much greater than the value of bottle of water over here, right now. So what it means is value is contextual. It changes with situations. So if I have to take my kids out for a quick bite, McDonald's has a different value for me. But if I have to go for a business meeting, McDonald's will have a different value for me. The same McDonald's will have a different value for me. So value is contextual. It is in the eyes of the beholder. And it's in the wallet. So can you afford it? So value has three elements. It's contextual, it's in the eyes, and it's in the wallet. Is it clear? Make sense? Okay, so benefit minus price is value. Now, somebody said about value in terms of service, time in terms of features. That's how you connect the dots of value. So connecting the dots of value would be technical features is equal to value, service is equal to value, fast delivery is equal to value. So Domino's, for example, says 30 minutes, whatever, pizza. So that's value. So those values in terms of brand image, in terms of cost saving, Maruti says there is a commercial, na? Kitna deti hai? That's value. So every product positions itself in the value chart basis the value it creates for the customer. You know, value is real and it's perceived. What do you mean by real and perceived over here? What would be perceived value?
May not be correct.
Which value can be higher.
Something which is there in your mind.